Stop wasting 5 different websites to download videos. Use this tool. This is 9xbuddy. This is come for 123 sudo company. You can check their others product like 9xchat and 9x converter, and this tool is quite amazing. You can download your video at high quality and high resolution, and also amazing part, it is totally ad free. Just copy your video link and paste it here and simply click on download, and also have some crazy features. So let's jump into the 9xbuddy app. First of all, open 9xbuddy desktop app. Then as you can see, there are some options like home button, my files, download option, browsers, and etc. And then main home panel, you can see a search tab. Okay, here is I paste my video link. Okay, Ctrl+V, then simply click download option. Okay, after clicking it, you can see multiple file format like MP3 file, MP4 file, and JPEG file. JPEG file means like picture file. Okay, so now I am go with video file, and you can see the size, estimated size of the video. Like click on the video, and that is 2.1 MB. Okay, so simply click on the download option. After clicking it, then click start downloading option. Then if you want to check your downloading progress, like how much time it is take, then you simply click on the download option, and you can see download is totally completed. Okay, after that, if you want to check your video, so click on the open section, then your video folder is open. Okay,
I think the most powerful business tool.
So our next feature is customize audio and video trimmer. Okay, so in this feature, you can trim your video and audio particular segment inside of 9xbuddy. So how it is possible? Simply click on the download option, then you can see there are edit options. Simply on edit option click. Then from you can choose your time frame. For this I am downloading this part. Okay, simply select this part. Then that is estimated time like 5 seconds to 14 seconds. Simply click on the make changes. Then you can see your particular segment already downloaded. Okay, and you can open it and check it. Okay, our next feature is bulk download. Like if you want to download multiple files, 1, 2, 3, 4 files at once, so then simply click on that bulk download option, then paste it. For example, I am pasting 3 links, 1, 2, 3, and simply click extract link. After clicking it, 9xbuddy automatically deduct your videos, and simply click on the download, start download option, and you can see your video already now starting to download, and it is totally complete. Go to download option, 3 videos already completed. Okay, and also you can edit it, this particular segment. Okay, so our next feature is browser. It is totally ad-free browser. It is works like Google Chrome and also Google. Like you can, like I am searching YouTube, open YouTube, you press enter, you can see YouTube is open. Okay, and it is totally ad-free, so you can use it. Okay, so this is some crazy features to 9xbuddy. So I'll see you in the next video with a new feature. Goodbye.